please. See you now. Yeah, I'm going to.
Aye. Machiavelli.
It's KGB.
So I woke up and found this. My waist bead cut off me last night, guys. I'm so angry. I made this waist bead myself. It's just sad. Wow, what a good start, right? Hey guys, good, I think it's like afternoon right now. Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, today's Sunday, as you might have been able to tell. So yes, so I just got back from church like right now, literally, and I have a couple of things to do today. I have to do laundry, clean my room. I always clean my room. Do laundry, clean my room. I have to go to the salon today because I want to braid my hair. Not braid, cornrow my hair. But before that, I need to co-wash my hair because I had a top knot bun thing, and so when I took that down, I just like put gel on my hair. I know it's my foot. I know it's and I cold. Shut your mouth. I just have to stay. Okay, fine. Here, please. See you now. So this is my hair now. So I'm going to wash, like just wash the gel out, do like probably hot oil treatment, and then go to the salon and get my hair weaved or back. So I'm going to keep this on for the sanity of this video. Okay.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So I've been trying this recipe for the longest time. I saw it on YouTube, obviously, and it's just like I'll insert like a little clip of it on the screen right now. Now I've been trying this thing for so long, and I burnt the bread, but I finally did it. So this is it. So this is the bread, and then this is my filling. I just put cabbage inside and like pepper. But you guys, I did it. Like, I mean, the bread looks a little burnt, but I'm so happy. So now I'm going to eat lunch, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys. I'll probably clean my room after this now. My clothes are still soaking, so yeah.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
go out to do my hair, and yeah, not to do my hair. I'm just going to use all that. That's serious. Okay, so let's go.
Audio Jungle.
Here's your story, let's begin. The water's fine, come on, dive in. The future's here, it's right before your eyes.
Audio Jungle.
Step by step, you're on your way. You're welcome to a brighter day. Don't you know it feels good to be alive? You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could.
Audio Jungle.
Yeah, and times are changing everywhere. Do we dream and do we dare? It's up to you, the door is open wide. Feel the rhythm of today, learn the part and join the play. The world is here, let's take it for a ride. You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl.
Hey guys. Okay, so it's probably like it's 28 right now, and my battery died, and my phone was taking so long to charge. So yeah, and then there was no lights for like it's crazy, okay? But I'm doing my hair every day, and I washed my clothes, but it's like really dark now, so like the footage would be weird, but maybe if I can get one tomorrow, I'll show you guys. I washed my clothes, and yeah, I just wanted to end this video because I'm really tired now, and I'm just editing. For the most part, I had dinner. Like I said, my phone was down, so like I couldn't show you guys any of that, but yeah. So yeah, I'm done with this video. I'm really happy. I liked it. Do you guys like my hair? You guys, I paid 1K for this all back. 1,000 naira for this all back. I mean, it's not paining me because it's fine, and like it's going to stay long, shake it, but like who pays 1K for all back? Maybe I'm just a cheapskate. Maybe I'm just a cheapskate, but like I don't get it. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to try and make this a thing. Sunday vlogs. I mean, I don't want to upload them, but I'm going to try and make them a thing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave it on the screen. It will always be in the description. It's always in the description. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You're cool.